Hey guys, I'm attorney Roger P. Foley, and today I'm going to talk to you about your criminal case and the community service hours that you receive as part of a plea or a diversion. Over the last few years, diversion cases have become more popular. Diversion cases is where you really don't have much criminal history, and in exchange for doing some things like community service, maybe an anger management class, maybe a drug class, and paying cost of prosecution, if you complete the items, the case is dismissed. Well, that seems like a pretty good deal. Well, I've encountered some folks that have contacted my office, and next thing you know, they haven't completed their community service hours. I don't know how. They're busy, they work, they have a family, they have a lot of things going on. There's not a lot of time. Their job requires them to travel. Whatever the reason, you can't cheat, folks. Here's what happens. There's a list of approved nonprofit companies. These companies keep track. You go to them and say, hey, I got some community service hours I need to do. I'd like to do them at your place. They keep track. You can't just submit something that will allow that the state attorney will go, oh, we did it? Oh, great. Case dismissed. No, they're going to check. So please, 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 don't try to commit a fraud on the court. Don't increase your charges. Contact a nonprofit group and find the time, because they're going to have to give you a letter, and make sure the people that you're dealing with are reputable, right? There are nonprofit companies out there that aren't the most reputable. So when you ask for that letter, you need to know up front. You're going to have to do a sign-in sheet where a person's going to print and sign their name and put their phone number to verify you did the hours. And then at the end of all the hours you do, maybe you have 5 different signatures from 5 different people. The company, the nonprofit, is going to be required to write you a letter on letterhead saying Mr. and Mrs. Jones has completed this many hours and this is what they've done for our organization. Thank you so much. If you have any future questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me directly. If you don't have that letter, probation's not going to take anything you give them as proof or evidence, nor is the state attorney. So this is a big problem. It seems to been escalating in the last year, because I keep getting folks that are like, oh yeah, I did this, and oh, I worked at my friend's landscaping business. No, your friend's landscaping business is nonprofit. He just suckered you into doing some free work. You're not going to get any credit for that. So make sure it's a nonprofit group. And how do you find that out? Well, you ask. It usually will say it on their business card. But you can go on sunbiz.org, right? sunbiz.org, and look up the name of the corporation, find out if they're nonprofit. If they are, then you can probably do the community service hours with them. Anyway, I'm attorney Roger P. Foley. Quick tip: do the community service hours. Get your case dismissed with diversion. Take care.